Welcome to PFTV. We just lost to Mexico 2-0. Kenneth, how are you feeling, Tamara?
Hey mana ngikho right, angikho happy sidliwe. Ya ngiphathekanga kahle no referee ngapha usidlele ebhodweni njengenyama enhloko.
So Kenneth, straight to referee. What about Hugo Bruce namhlanje? Do you agree with the starting lineup and the approach ekayisebenzisile namhlanje?
Yeah, uzame ngazonke indlela Yeah, I mean bekanga expect i-lose. Yonke into ayenzile beka expect ukuthi sowina. Njengathi ama supporters besitshele nje ukuthi sowina. Yeah, yena uSpane Grand. Yeah, kuna smoko la.
Out of 10 ungamnika ngaki?
Out of 10 ngamnika 60.
60.
Out of 10, 9.
Oh, 9.
Yeah, 9.
No, that's a good one. So, Uncle Show, wabonile lama red card put Kenneth, and
Yeah.
what did you think of them?
Yeah, yikho ngithi ureferee usidlele ebhodweni. Yeah, ayikho fair lento ayenzile.
So, do you think leya yakasithola ayikho akusi red card?
Asi red card la yini.
Yeah.
Imbombayi. Bese basidla basibonisa ukuthi no, sinyama enhloko.
No, nyakuza. Anyone who stood out, anyone okudlalele kamnandi from South Africa namhlanje?
Uyi-1.
Yeah, or maybe you can just give me 2.
Ngathi umuntu odlale kahle namhlanje ngathi ubani?
As a from Moreno Lulem, Sabombokazi.
Ya umbokazi, ya umbokazi ulwile. Ulwile lapha emuva ngoba bekulabe bathi basingenela khona kakhulu. Yeah, sincedile ngedefense kakhulu umbokazi.
So next game against the Czech Republic, do you think you're going to win that game?
Angiboni ukuthi siyiwina. Reason why?
Yeah.
Asina structure. Yikho ngithi angiboni.
Score prediction?
Iscore kungaba yi-1-1.
1-1.
Yeah, I win.
So you don't think we would so qualify to ama knockout stages with Kenneth?
No, uyabona sebasiqale sisuka phansi ebhandini. Basiqindezela. Abadlalisanga fair. Makumele score basilimaza.
All right. No, thanks with Kenneth. Thank you.
Great.
Great.